What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and today we're going to be unboxing and talking about the January 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box. So this is their $35 box. I do pay for this. I do not receive this or in my regular box in PR, just to let you guys know, to clarify that. And I want to talk to you guys about whether or not it is actually worth it to upgrade, because some people ask me, like, Alex, is it worth it to upgrade to the premium box? So we're gonna get into this and talk about all of that and more. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. So I have already opened this, and I have gotten into and tried on a couple of these products, which we're going to talk about here in just a second. All right. So I don't know what just happened there. All right, so the first thing, of course, there is a card, and apparently there is some hella variations, because this is variation 32, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, do you guys see that? This is 32. Like, I don't know if they're like adding these variation to the BoxyCharm variation. I don't know, but there's 32 variations apparently. I don't know if it's combined though. All right, so the first product we are gonna pull out here, and this is one that I'm kind of excited about. So this is the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. Now, me personally, I don't get any acne. Like, since I've been doing my little K-Beauty skincare routine, not even joking, you guys, I really haven't broke out at all, but I have to, like, you know, make sure I stay on my routine. So my daughter might actually really like this, and I love it because it is clean skincare, you guys. So if you do have acne, ooh, I like, it's like a little pump foam. Let's see what we got here. Let's see how many pumps. Ooh, yeah. So it's like some foamy stuff there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, my daughter will actually really like this. Again, it is, ooh, I don't know if she's gonna like the smell though. I can't believe this is clean. Like, you can definitely smell the silic acid in that, you guys. Oh my God. That is so strong. So she might not like it, but this does have a salicylic acid in it. And again, it is clean, clean beauty, clean skincare, but whew, that is strong smelling, you guys. All right, so let's move on to the next product, which is the Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detox Pore Clay Souffle Mask, and this was also clean. So I did check out these ingredients before I unboxed this box to tell you guys kind of what's clean, what's not. So this is also clean, and it looks like some kind of smushed out there. Let's see. Oh no, it's got like a little cap. Oh, okay, cool. So it's got like a little cap here. So let's give it a shake. I don't know how I feel about these, like, okay, so this is like, oh, okay. So she definitely might like this. This isn't very strong smelling at all. This is like one of those like clay masks. Like, if you like those old school clay masks, you'll definitely like this right here. This actually feels really nice, and I myself might actually use this. I'm not big into masks anymore, but this actually does seem like a very nice product. I'm not a fan of the like pressurized container. You guys know what I'm saying? So other than that though, it feels like a really great product. And do I have a wipe? Ooh, I do have a little wipey from my last video. I'm just kind of like kicking out some videos today for you guys. All right, so the next product is one that, for me, made this box entirely worth it. So this is the Pharsalia Liquid Glass Radiant Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. And I'm just going to be straight up with you guys. You already know. I am not a fan of Pharsalia products. Like, I tried like 4 of them. And this was the Skin Tune Blur, the Unicorn Essence, the Rose Elixir, and the Volcanic Elixir. Now, my daughter really liked the Volcanic and the Rose Gold Elixir, but I was just not a fan of them. However, this product, I did actually try this on earlier with my BoxyCharm unboxing video when I did that try on. If you guys are curious in watching that, I will link it at the end of this one. So you guys, like, this name of this product is the perfect name, Liquid Glass, because that literally is what it makes your skin look like. It literally makes your skin look like glass. So I'm not a really big fan of this like whole drippy serum thing, but as I said in my try on video, if the serum really works, I am all for it. And I mean, I'm gonna take like a close-up so you guys can see, because you can literally see like the little sparkly stuff kind of, and it's weird because it's literally like little sparkles. But then when you rub it in, you don't actually see, like, there's no sparkles at all, like no sparkles whatsoever. And it literally leaves your skin just this very luminous, dewy, like just glass look to your skin. It just absolutely looks amazing. And I was very, very, very surprised by this product, and I'm really happy to receive it because, again, this product is $54. I don't know what they have it listed on here as. So yeah, they have it listed, right? So they have it listed as $54, and they're $54 all day. And I was very, very happy about this product, and it is the actual product. I can tell you guys right now, because I've seen Pharsalia's packaging and know how their products look and everything. This is the actual Pharsalia product. So I can say that 100%. All right, so our next product, and I'm just going to show you guys literally, this is what it looked like inside the box right here. This is how it came packaged. Like, the package wasn't even put together at all whatsoever. Like, it's supposed to look like something like that, and it came this crazy mess here. Like, it just looked like somebody just didn't even feel like folding it. All right, so this is the Natasha Denona Duo Chrome Top Coat, and this is in the color Lavender, Gold, and Silver. And this product, it says retails for $28. Now, that is normally what it retails, but I can tell you guys that these do go on sale all the time at Sephora. And I can also tell you that the product that I received is very, very dried up, like extremely dried up. And I'm just going to show you guys. So, I mean, you guys see, like, I'm pushing, I mean, you guys see the indentation from how I'm pushing on my finger. You see how little product is on my finger? Like, these are my clean fingers. This is the one with product on it. And then right here. Like, do you guys see just that tiny little bit of product? Like, her product, and I've actually tried her gold one. Her product is not that, like, see-through. It's normally a lot more opaque. You can go over and use it on your entire lid by itself if you wanted to. And just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that see-through. It's really, really not. So, I mean, this product is either A, not the actual product, or B, just really, really dried up. And, I mean, because it's like falling out all over the place. Like, you guys see, like, on top of the lid here. So yeah, I just wasn't very, very happy about receiving this product in this condition. I was excited when I saw the product in there because, again, I mean, this is normally $28. You can get it on sale at Sephora, but it is a really great product, like, if you get the actual product in good condition. All right, so, you know, that's whatever. All right, so the next thing I had was the Best Brow Kit Ever, which I have to disagree, by Billion Dollar Brows. And let's see, I think this, I don't know, let's see what this came with here. So I'm not gonna, like, open it and use it. So this came with a brow gel, a Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil, a conceal and highlight stick, and then an actual, like, little brow brush. So I'm not gonna, you know, use this or anything like that because I have so many Billion Dollar Brow items. We've received them in BoxyCharm. We've received them in Ipsy, and I'm just not a big fan of them, to be completely honest. I really have some great, I love my Anastasia. I love the brow gels, and my e.l.f. My e.l.f. is amazing and beats this all day long. So I think it would be really awesome if they put some e.l.f. in there instead of this Billion Dollar Brow stuff. So I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway, or again, put it in my box that goes to the women's shelter. All right, and then the last product here is the Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. All right, you guys, so I think they have like two different palettes that they were going to put in this box. So one was like either the Blush and Glow kind of peach palette, and then they had this one. And I'm just going to open it up and show you guys this palette because it does look very, very gorgeous. It does have some pretty shades in it. And that's exactly what I thought when I purchased this palette myself a few months ago. When it came out, I thought, oh my God, Too Faced actually has some colors in it. Amazing. And this should be a great palette because I normally do like their palette and their shadows. But This was probably one of the worst Too Faced palettes I've ever tried. And I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, these shades just were not pigmented at all. They just were very, very muddy when you started blending them out. I just was not a fan of this palette. So I am probably gonna either A, put this in a giveaway, or B, put this in my women's shelter box. All right, so all in all, I feel like this box is kind of like, it had a lot of potential. It's got a lot of potential. It really, really does. I mean, you got 2 products in there that are clean skincare, which is absolutely amazing, and you can never have enough of. The Pharsalia, that right there, I mean, this is $54. This is a $35 box. So I feel like this product, for me personally, made this box. Absolutely made it totally worth it. But with that being said, I also kind of feel like there were some duds in here, like the Natasha Denona. Like, this potentially could have been an amazing product. I don't know if this is just dried out. I mean, again, like, the packaging was like really opened, you know, not even really put together, or if this just wasn't her product. Because I've tried this product before, you guys, and it is an amazing product. So I don't know. I have mixed feelings, especially with the information that I have and know about BoxyCharm. Like, I know what they're doing, and it's coming in an upcoming video, you guys. So, you know, stuff like that just kind of bothers me a little bit. I really like, and didn't think that I was going to like, I was kind of a little bummed that I got this Bliss Pore Patrol mask, but actually after I tried it on the back of my hand, I was like, wow, like, okay. Like, I'm kind of curious about this, and I will probably try it out. And I may even give this to my mom, because she really likes those like green, kind of like clay, old school kind of mask. You guys know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. All right, you guys, so let's talk final thoughts and whether or not BoxyCharm Premium is worth it to you. So for me personally, I feel like this box was completely made by the Pharsalia Liquid Glass Radiant Serum with hyaluronic acid. Now, this was by far not my favorite BoxyCharm Premium box. I felt like they've definitely had better boxes. The first 2 boxes were awesome. This one was like, eh. Like, I definitely had more products in the other 2 boxes that I could use. But because it had this one product, and this one product is $54, I would not have purchased this product normally, because I've tried other Pharsalia products and I didn't like them. So I would not have purchased this, but I'm so glad that I got it, and I only got it for $35. You know what I'm saying? With other stuff that I could like, or somebody else could like or use. And again, I only paid $35, and this is awesome. And I will probably repurchase this, because it really did make my skin look amazing. So this was like a win. And I feel like if you have that in a box, if you find that one amazing product that you love, plus you got some other products, even though some of them kind of were like letdowns and weren't as awesome as they could have been or should have been. Talking about the Natasha Denona top coat here. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like even if you got that one product that was the actual product and you paid a lot less for it, I feel like that makes a box worth it. And for that, I got a worth it box. Now, if you're getting a box and you don't like any of the products, or you don't use any of the products, or you don't know anybody that use any of the products and you're paying for it, then it's definitely not worth it. And I think that is really what people need to remember, because I know sometimes when people look at BoxyCharm, they're like, oh, well, you only paid $21 or $25 or $35 and you got like over $200 or whatever worth of stuff. Well, that's great. But it's not great if I didn't get $200 worth of stuff that I'm going to use, or even $50 worth of stuff that I'm going to use. Like, you have to at least get your money's worth out of a box. And that's really what it boils down to. So I think when you're thinking in terms of BoxyCharm or BoxyCharm Premium, are you going to get your money's worth? Is there at least one product in there that you would have normally purchased, or you wanted to purchase and try out, and get your money's worth for that product, and not have to spend as much as if you would just go to Sephora or Ulta and buy it? I feel like that's really what you have to ask yourself. All right, so those are my final thoughts for today. If you guys would like to see more videos, I'm gonna leave a couple right here, which includes my BoxyCharm try on and my K-Beauty dupes video if you guys are interested in my current skincare routine, because I have all of the products I'm currently using listed in that. I love you so very much, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.